Harihi Om Tats, Harihi Om Tats, Jaya Guru, Jaya Guru. Our line is a line of meditation, and people have been at one point of time in their association seeking deeksha from me to put them into spiritual Brahmavidya meditation. I have been doing it. But this meditation should not be taken as an ordinary affair, because it has become a fashion for everybody to meditate. The Brahmavidya deeksha which I give need be sought as the last fulfillment of human life. And once the deeksha is taken, the incumbent is supposed to pursue it wholesomely to the exclusion of all other religious, spiritual and cultural practices. But seldom it happens. They are very particular to get initiated, but after the initiation, they will not keep company with me, they don't do the sadhana, they will not report what is happening, like that. So, whenever people ask me, I tell them, this deeksha is something that can wait. You feel you are not ready, etc. But the first point in the deeksha, or to get ready for something like that, is close the door, sit in an asana, close your eyes, interlock your fingers, put them on your lap, and then just go on observing your mind processes. Observing the mind processes. What does it mean? The mind will always be revolving a number of thoughts and other things. Just observe them. Observe them. Never follow them, never act upon them, never interfere with them. Let one part of the mind go on observing the rest of the mind processes. And like that you spend about 25 minutes, that's all what I want. You will find this is much better than the so-called customary and conventional meditation. You come to know what your mind is, that you have a mind, and what that mind is, what are the thought processes that come. The very observation will make you know your inner personality. And if you go on doing it, any suggestion that you need will automatically come from the mind. It will increase the power of mind's application, and it is as good as and even better than meditation. Just observe. By this observation, I cannot describe to you how beneficial it is. So some of you were asking me about meditation, and some of them are from Canada. You are going back. Don't think you have not got the right thing. Just do it. This is the best preliminary step towards Brahmavidya meditation and absorption. Observe your mind processes. I don't say the mind processes. You don't have to generate anything, the mind will go on working in its own manner. Just observe the process. Observe without getting involved in it, without following it, without acting upon it, without interfering with it. And if you do it very well, the net result will be the process will come to a stop. Harihi Om Tats, Jai Guru.